Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly you will need to get yourself this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to put this tool inside the hole next to the slot, slightly press it, slot pops out. Here you should eject your SIM card, just like this, and then put it back into your device. And as you can see, nothing happens. So to prove you that as SIM card is detected, we go to settings, SIM cards, and here you can see my Virgin Mobile SIM card number, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.